Welcome to the enchanting village of restoration and cleaning training Smurfs, a place of Smurfastic learning and boundless inspiration. This village is bound together by a shared purpose to instill happiness, pride, and innovation in service provider Smurfs. As Archimedes wisely said, "Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world." The Smurfs of the restoration, cleaning, and industries related to the built environment work tirelessly, ensuring that people around the world have safe and healthy places to call home and work. They are the unsung heroes who step in when others are on shore, mending homes, businesses, and cherished memories in the wake of disasters. Within this village, training Smurfs are driven to provide impactful levers, empowering service provider Smurfs worldwide to make a profound difference in the lives of others. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Operationator Smurf. I unite the Smurflings around our purpose, ensuring effectiveness and efficiency, and painting a vivid picture of the Smurfiest of futures and the opportunities that lie ahead. Meet Smurfette. She was not initially accepted as a real Smurf, but with her determination, intelligence, and boundless love for her fellow Smurfs, she became a revered member of the village, and she has paved the way for other female Smurfs. Sunshine Smurf radiates a perpetual aura of peace, joy, and love over the village, creating a warm glow with her ever-present smile. Trainer Smurf is our tireless educator, ensuring continuous learning and keeping the village abreast of all the latest technology and training methods. He identifies crucial gaps Smurfs need to move the world and crafts levers to support them. Drying Smurf shares his invaluable wisdom, experience, and passion, enabling every Smurf to confidently preserve structures and maintain the safety and well-being of each other and building occupants. That guy, Smurf, the steadfast, reliable cornerstone of the village, combines humor, calmness, and an innate love for assisting fellow Smurfs whenever duty calls. #Smurf keeps service provider Smurfs of the world well informed about the village's endeavors and progress. And let's not forget the honorary Smurfling, a cherished presence always ready to sprinkle additional knowledge, expertise, support, and friendship throughout the village. This is Papa Smurf, the heart of our village. He fosters harmony and respect among the Smurfs, valuing each Smurf's unique qualities and contributions. Papa Smurf is our beacon of wisdom, always available for counsel and guidance.
Smurfy day to you, my friends. If you're looking to dry a room, you're in the right Smurfing place. First things first, gather all your Smurfy equipment. You'll need a fan like a big Smurfing wind machine, and a dehumidifier, which is like a magic box that slurps up all the moisture in the air. Place your fan there facing towards the wetness and turn it on high. The fan will help the room dry faster than you can say, Smurf-tastic. Next, bring in your trusty dehumidifier. Put it in the room where it can suck up all the moisture lingering in the air. Just turn it on and let it work its Smurfy magic. You will see it filling up with water, and that means it's doing its job. Oh, and don't forget to Smurf the windows closed while you're at it. We don't want any moisture sneaking in, do we? Keep the room sealed up tight so your fan and dehumidifier can do their Smurfy work without any interruptions. And there you Smurf it with your fan blowing and your dehumidifier slurping. Your room will be dry in no time. Happy Smurfing days, my friend. May the water be with you.
On this grandest of Halloween season, the bustling village of restoration and cleaning training Smurfs unite in joyous gratitude. We Smurfly thank you for selecting our village as your training sanctuary. We Smurf up our hats to each and every one of you for being the Smurfiest of learners. As you embark on your journeys and set forth on your noble quest of serving others and making a Smurf mark on the world, do so with your heads held high. Fellow service provider Smurfs, wear your pride like a badge, for you are the bedrock upon which others lean, and your actions ripple through the lives you touch, creating a sea of positive change. Your impact is immeasurable, and your dedication is the beacon that guides many through their darkest hours. You are the unsung heroes, and today we sing your praises. So, dear Smurfs, go forth with hearts as light as a feather, and may the winds of fortune carry you to boundless success. Happy trails, and may your journey be filled with much joy, continued success, and pride as we celebrate learning and camaraderie amongst all Smurfs. Smurf on!